So here we will see that how this nematode or a roundworm is completing its life cycles using two hosts. One is a Culex mosquito and other one is human. Now in Culex, we will see that it is acting as a transmitting vector. How the W.bancrofti, which is a nematode, when it is in its third larval state, it is the infective stage. Now this third stage larva, when Culex mosquito will feed on a blood meal of a human, it will transmit into the subcutaneous tissues. The larva will get deposited into the subcutaneous tissues. Now from subcutaneous tissues, they will reach to the lymph vessels, and the maturation of this W.bancrofti will take place into the lymph vessels of human. Now here when they get mature, they undergo reproduction. They can reproduce by sexual reproduction because we can see the sexual dimorphism. Now they form microfilaria. Now these microfilaria are present in the bloodstream of a human. Now when again a Culex mosquito or Aedes mosquito or an Anopheles mosquito will feed on this blood, it will ingest the larval stage 1 into its midgut. Now here we can see that Culex are mostly observed in the tropical areas, which is most common for the transmission of this nematode. But Aedes and Anopheles mosquitoes are also identified carrying the nematodes, right? Larva of nematodes. Now when it will reach into the thoracic muscles, where these larval stage will undergo metamorphosis, and the third stage, which is a slender stage, is an infective stage, will reach to the mouth of a Culex, and again this mosquito is ready to feed on a meal and transmit the larva into the human, right? So this is how the transmission takes place. One thing which is very interesting about this nematode is that they are nocturnal, and the chronic inflammations are mostly observed during the night time, and the samples which are collected for the diagnosis is during the time between 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. So the blood samples are collected during this time because the metabolic activities causes inflammation, which is an immune response of a human body against the metabolic activity of these nematodes, right? So this is how the life cycle of a nematode takes place within the human.